Captured on camera for the first time, the hidden depths of the ocean have revealed life forms unlike anything seen before. Strange, intricate ecosystems flourish in complete darkness, thriving in conditions that seem inhospitable to everything we know. These discoveries challenge our understanding of biology and evolution, offering a glimpse into a world that has existed apart from ours for millions of years. What else lies in wait, untouched and unseen, beneath the surface of the last great frontier?